What's up guys, Biker Dave here. This is my 2017 Dodge Durango RT, but this will apply to many different Durango models. The issue is the rear wiper is done, is torn. Wiper blade is getting ripped all through here. Who knows how old it is? All I know is that it is basically needing replacement. Not very difficult. You don't need any tools to do this. I'll put a link down below where you can get the actual blade replacement, or you can get it at most any auto parts store. It is a 12-inch long blade, and here's how you get to it. You'll first need to pry up the end right here. You'll need to pry that up, and then it's not really tricky, but I'll show you how to specifically remove the blade and to insert the new one. Check it out. Okay, first you'll just pry this up. You can use your fingers, just pop up on it. Okay, so it just kind of pops out this way, from that to that. This will give you the ability to extend it all the way out. Okay, then you'll rotate it this way, and let's take a look at it in here. Okay, now from inside here, you just pull it back and just pull towards you. That's how it comes out. Make sure you compare to how it's supposed to fit. See how the little shape goes like that? That's how it goes back in. Don't want it to go, you can't put it this way, it has to be this way. Okay, very simple. Okay, then we take our new one, make sure that it's oriented the same fashion. And just see that there's a little circular end right there. You just push it in right there, forcefully push it in till it seems secure. Push it back down, push that back down, give it a little bump, and that's all there is to it. Make sure you check out my channel. I got all kinds of cool stuff that you may like. I got other videos about this Durango RT. Had this car for many years. I enjoy it. It's not perfect, but it's been a really good car overall. So look at the playlist link that'll pop up at the end of the video. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks donation button. You'll see it underneath the video screen. And feel free to send us a monetary donation. We really appreciate it. Do that for any YouTube channel that's monetized that saves your life. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.